Okay, so we are back at Minden Grove. I'm going to quickly walk through the plans for the property. So we've had a quote for the electrics wheels being already. It does need a full rewire. Salim has also been to quote for the gas central heating system. I think the suggestion is to move the boiler or install a fit boiler in here so that the flue can go outside, and then we do need as well to put a socket there. Through here, this old kitchen unit will all be taken out, and that'll be removed. But hopefully, we can leave that banister there. The carpeting will be removed. Okay, so the heat pump, that will be removed, and this will be turned into storage. Actually, yeah, this should be relatively straightforward, I would expect. Okay, so and then obviously Salim would then put piping throughout the house, throughout the property as well. And this is the tank that is being removed. Okay, so our EPC contractor has been. This is currently an E, so we need to get it to C. That's going to be a big challenge. The recommendation was to replace the tank and heat pump with a condensing boiler, gas central heating system, which we're doing anyway. Replace light bulbs, the usual stuff. But unfortunately, one of the things we have to do is actually put a loft, a false ceiling in to insulate the loft. So we have to have a look there, put a false ceiling across there, and then insulate it. Have a quick look. My concern is with the head height, but we'll discuss with that. Actually, I think what I'll do is, instead of getting one builder to come out and do the whole thing, I think I'll ask Will to go ahead and start on the first fix, and the Salim to come and start planning out the gas central heating system as well. And then the rest of it is relatively straightforward. Stripping wallpaper, redecorating, the flooring. We can get a flooring contractor to do. So it's literally they can just fit a new kitchen. So they can fit a new. We can get a builder to fit a new bathroom and fit a new kitchen, and we'll see who can do hopefully they can do all the walls as well. If not, I'll get somebody else to do it. But this wallpaper is going to be a nightmare. Anyway, hope that's been helpful, and see you guys next time. Bye.